We all good, honey. We all good because my hair's just long. Learn to do right, seek justice, defend the oppressed, take up the cause of the fatherless, plead the case of the widow. Isaiah 1:17. What's up, guys? As you can see by the title of this video, I'll be showing you how I thread my own eyebrows at home on my own. Due to the pandemic, I have not been able to get my eyebrows done, plus my eyebrow lady left her shop, so I had to learn by myself. And if you know, it's like a barber, kind of. Like, you can't just trust any barber, like you have a specific one you go to. That was her for me, and she left. And her price was so good. So now I'm left here to try this by myself and do this all by myself. So first things first, you want to find some string or thread and you want to tie it into a knot. I do about 3 to 4 knots just for security. Once you've done that, you can either leave the thread in one strand or you can make it double strand by just double banding it around. And once you've done that, you can just take it by both ends and twist it around as you see I'm doing in the video. Before you start, make sure to comb out your eyebrows so that you can see every hair that is not in place. So this part is a bit difficult to explain, but what you want to do is line up the twist that you've made in the thread with the eyebrow hairs that you don't want. And you're going to take your 2 fingers and open it so that the twist plucks out the hair as it's closing in on the other side of your other hand. I don't know if you understand that, but that's the best I can explain it. And basically you want to go against the direction the hair is growing in so that the string can pick up the hair or pluck out the hair. For the top, it's basically the same, but instead of combing your hairs upward, you're gonna comb it downward, and I was just using the string to comb my hair instead of the brush. Y'all don't mind the tear and the faces I make in this video. I promise you this does not hurt. If you get your eyebrows threaded regularly, then it basically feels the same, but even better because you're doing it on yourself and you know when the thread is coming and you know when it's not. So yeah. So I am right-handed and I found it very difficult to thread my left eyebrow, And instead of me to be taking my time, I was rushing. I don't know why. I don't know who sent me. I don't know who asked me. But just keep on watching, guys.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
We all good, honey. We all good because my hair is long. Yep, you guessed it. I overplucked my eyebrows. But honestly, it doesn't really matter that much because I'm not going anywhere. And I can always fill them in. Honestly, with practice, I'll get better. Just wait on it. So just for a cleaner look, I am going to pluck my eyebrows with some tweezers. You know what? I'm gonna do this off camera and I'm gonna be back. I know my eyebrows don't look the same, but eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins. And not all sisters look the same anyways. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video and I will see you in my next. God bless you all and have a great day. Bye!